Mobility Solutions with Harmar presents a new product.
Hey, I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions, AffordableMedicalUSA.com, and we do a lot of scooter power wheelchair lifts by Harmar. We did a really good video of showing you how to install a Harmar hitch-mounted lift. We talked about run the wire from the battery to the back is usually the proper way of doing it. We have a new solution to that. It's a 7-pin hookup and for your light. So this is actually going to save you a lot of money as long as you have a 7-pin hookup. And you need to check out our website. Go to AffordableMedicalUSA.com and put in the search bar AL701, or down in the description you'll see the link to the website to make sure your car is compatible to the 7-pin hookup. You also got to have a 7-pin hookup. So as long as you have that 7-pin hookup, this just plugs right in. Your lift will plug up to the power supply, and then this is for your light hookup. So that's really cool, especially if you're buying a lift. The hardest part is running the wire because you got to get up underneath the car unless you have a lift. So this is nice. If you have a lift, or if you're buying a used lift and you don't have the wiring, I would probably suggest ordering one of these. Or another thing that people do is they move the lift from one vehicle to the other. So you got to have power supply on both vehicles. Now you can use this one. Again, as long as you have the 7-pin hookup. So the alternative to any wiring, even this, is a battery backup system or a portable battery system that Harmar sells, but then you got to maintain the charge and stuff like that. So I think you're going to like this. All you do, as you see right here, is that's for your light hookup for the license plate. And then right down here is your power supply. And then this is what a 7-pin hookup looks like right here. So we're going to go show you one outside on the back of a vehicle. If you go to our website, when you get to the product page, it's going to tell you about the benefits of this product and the price. So we have it listed at $110. It's regular $140. And then you select what vehicle you have. And then here's your proven list that we have tested so far that this will work for. So scroll down. If you don't see your car on this list, it still might work, but this is going to guarantee these are tested vehicles that this 7-pin has worked on. I have seen other manufacturers do something similar to this, and sometimes they don't work because of the change in the power and stuff like that. You also got to have that 25 amp fuse in between this so it doesn't mess up the lift. So that's one thing they are asking, but I do like that they're doing this. And yeah, let's just go plug it up into a car and let me show you how easy it is to plug it up. So here's a Honda Civic. This is a Honda Odyssey with 3rd row seating. All right, so let me be real. This isn't a proven tested car on our thing, but it does work. This is a Honda Ridgeline, but this is the, see right here? There's your power, there's your light hookup for your license plate. So if you're interested in this product because you currently have a lift, changing the lift to a new vehicle, don't want to run the wire, check out the AL701 part number on AffordableMedicalUSA.com, or give us a call at 803-926-2224. Have a blessed day.
Make sure to come back to our shop videos where we do full unboxings and much more. So like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.